All right, the most important thing you want to do with placement of the stencil is you want to flow with the body, because tattoos look better if they flow with the natural curves of the body, and you always want it to face out. So if it's facing forward and you're kind of confused about where to place it, always put the darker side on the inside and put the lighter side on the outside. So in that way, it's kind of opening towards the outside. All right, what I'm doing now is I put in like a little bit of like the thicker blacker layers, and I use 14 liner, and I ran about like 6.5 or 7 for all this sort of stuff. Then I reduced the power down to about 6.5, and I'm using a 5 liner, and I'm kind of noodling in little details. And I figure that helps strengthen it, like that combination of like thicker lines that hold together and thinner lines on the inside. I'm also, if you notice, I'm angling the lines to show the flow. So by like curving them down like this and by curving them up like this, I show how it tucks in and out. All right, the way I'm approaching it now is I got down some of the thicker, stronger elements with a slightly larger needle. So I'm doing some of the little divots in texture, and I'm trying not to do them too solid and too definite. It's more like I'm not quite bloodline, but I'm doing a very like loose sort of pattern of where it's going to go, and then I'll go in with some lighter tones and some different colors. But I'm trying to do that to like capture the flow. Whenever you tattoo something, don't be afraid to turn around and be in the best position to pull that line or do that detail. All right, whenever, especially when this area of the skin is a little bit like more loose, more like a rounded joint, so it's not like a solid, like flat feel of skin. What you really want to do is you want to pull lines, not push them, because if you push them, they might bulk in the skin. You want to get that like nice smooth stroke.